Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Gmail on your phone. So let's start. First, open the Gmail app. Then tap on three bars on top left corner. Scroll down and go to Settings. Now select the account you want to log out from. Tap on the three dots on top right corner and go to Manage Accounts. Now you have to select the account again. Here you'll see the option to remove your account. So tap Remove Account and tap Remove Account again. And you will be logged out of your account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.